What's up, you guys? How are you doing? TK Profit back from Profit Takers. We are hopping on to jump into a live trading session. So let's head right to Trading View. Get everything started. Let's see. So we're taking a look at a few JPY pairs. John, how you doing? We're taking a look at a few JPY pairs. We're looking for the reversal on pound JPY to see these lows get taken out right here, and a similar trade set up on USD JPY. Shit, they ain't CAD JPY. Hold on a second. Okay. Oh God. Okay. So CAD JPY is falling like crazy. Let's get over there really quick. Let's come back. The fuck is that? Nine. O'clock gave you a retest on the 15-minute. And we got a massive drop in CAD JPY. Let's see what happens right here at this level. Go ahead and set some alerts. Want to see if we can add another position with this sell. Right now, the only thing that could possibly happen is that we can get a rejection after this low is being made to maybe retest about 50 to 60% of this move before continuing this downtrend, or it can break going all the way through it, pull back to retest that area, and then we'll add the sell from there. So in seeing that no need to chase after this thing, we got a nice impulsive move to the downside, showing that the momentum is bearish. So now that we know that, there's nothing more that we need to do as far as chasing. Devon, how you doing? What's up? How y'all doing over there on YouTube? So we don't need to chase this thing. We're gonna let it come to us. Yeah, go ahead and we're gonna take that USD JPY. So this gray area here, this was a zone on the daily. Price dropped beneath that daily zone and created range. And this move was a break above. It also retested it, but it does not look like this level is holding right now as far as a valid support area. So if it does not stay above this area right here, then it will definitely break the lows to retest our daily level at the low. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to play the exact same process that I just used with CAD JPY. I see that we're trading at a key level. I understand there's only two possibilities at key levels. Price is either going to go up or it's going to go down, so there's no need to overcomplicate this thing. What's up? How y'all doing over there? OTF, Casey. I appreciate that, Cezanne. All right, so let's set these alerts. We're taking this really soon. Man, look at US 30. Okay, so last week No, not last week. That was Sunday. We were looking to close out our last position in US 30. We called a massive sale. Massive sale. Let me go to a higher time frame so it's easier for everybody to see. But we called the US 30 sale from the highs. Okay, we were looking for this level to be tested right here. Now we're at it. I was looking for this level to be hit because all the way back in the past, this is what I use to identify my key levels. I use the past. It's always right in front of you. I went back on these time frames. somebody said somebody said motherfuckers trading eggs in the US. Yeah, right. Oh man. Say the price on them eggs done got too high. Forget trading commodities. Say eggs are the new commodity. Okay then. We got some comedians in here. Let's go. Go ahead and put two standards up on eggs. Okay, let's put that wick in there. Yeah, that's funny, man. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, let's see how prices responded down here at this area. Because this is where we were looking for our buy. But I told you guys we're going to wait because we can hold this buy for a long time. Okay then, Cesar. Let's see what we got. So with the way this thing is setting up, we definitely want to wait on this thing around Thursday. That's why I'll be looking to take this buy. Right now, this was the biggest piece. I needed price to drop beneath this area right here to create a lower low. One thing I learned from pain throughout the process of trading, when I'm looking for reversals, I always used to jump in a little too early, and when I did that, I would notice how far away how far away the 200-day EMA was on the 15-minute. Okay? In this case, look at that. Look at how far away this is. Normally when that reversal is coming, you'll see price consolidating, and that 200-day EMA will be a lot closer to price. Okay, so we're gonna just stay the fuck out our own way, leave this thing alone, let this thing catch up. We're gonna set some alerts in the middle of this zone and right here at the lows because we just want to be alerted. But again, what we want to see is consolidation, and we're gonna trap price same way we did on those other charts, and when we get a breakout, we'll enter on that retest. What was that alert on? Okay, now if USD JPY holds here, all right, our target is up here. All right, let's see. Evelyn, I appreciate the follow. So when you start identifying the key levels in the market, again, price can only go one or two ways from a key level. You're either going to see a break above that key level, price will pull back to retest it. If it is valid support, it will hold. You will not see a break beneath it. Okay? If it acts as valid support, you can just take it to the next structural level. We're using the higher time frames to identify where structure is. so we can maximize our moves with while also minimizing our risk. Now, if it breaks beneath this level, same concept. We wait till it fall, and we are going to take that trade to the downside. Euro USD. Now, Euro USD right here in this area. Again, I was looking for a reversal. Price finally started consolidating. So let me just trap price up here. Going to do the same thing. Where's our entry? We actually entered at the highs over here on Euro USD. Time frame 15-minute. Okay, cool. After looking at these areas that I'm spotting as potential trade setups, as far as my entries, okay, now with the targets, the only thing that I take a look at is the next structural levels in the market. I also look to see where you have a lot of rejections. Like in this case, we got a lot of rejections at the lows down here. When we see things like that, that lets you know that traders are placing their stop losses beneath those areas. All of the guys that believe that this thing is going to buy and continue to buy, these are the areas that they're using to protect their trade setups. What the market will do is drop to capture those areas, give you a pullback, pretty much faking everybody out. So after seeing that for all of these years, I start using it to go with the system versus fighting against it. What time frame did we find that on? Well, that was a daily area. Got it. Got you. So let's see what happens. You want to see a pullback to this daily area right here. It was a key level because when we go back to the left, you have multiple rejections right here at this area. Where is my highlighter? US 30. Multiple rejections. Not only where we are with current price, but when we go back to the past. This level, if price was underneath it, you slightly got consolidation or you had a little fight to break above. Same thing when it was above, you either saw consolidation or you saw some type of fight to break beneath it, letting you know that this is a psychological level in the market. It fought to break beneath it right here, and we had a struggle getting back above it. So if we get a rejection right here at this high, this will be our first target. If price does not respect this level as valid support, we're going to take a continuation to the downside. So let's see how the rest of this day plays out to let us know the best way to take advantage of Euro USD. All right, cool. Got the alert set. Something just triggered on US 30. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get this buy on US 30 this week. Man. Yeah, exactly. We camp out either below or above. Just wait. Poison the most traders waiting. Ah, it drive them crazy. Daylux, what up? Trey, how y'all doing? So which way was the trigger, to the downside? Okay, let me put another right there. All right. Cezanne, this week we're taking this US 30. Once we get you closer to a grand in that account, find a US 30 sale on the regular, not the mini. Find a $40 risk and let you take a mini. I mean, not a mini, but the regular US 30. You hit the TP on that thing, you'll be up another $1,000, like right quick. All right, cool. Let me check out something over here. Let's see how this plays out. The way it just printed shows that it could possibly drop. I think it will. I think it's a good chance it possibly a double bottom, but I don't want to jump in there before it's actually done. We got 4 minutes and 44 seconds left in that candle. We'll see how it play out. Okay. We also caught these sales with gold. Right now this thing is pulling back. We got these positions from the highs. We hit our TP1 and came really close to TP2 with these three positions. This pullback killed all of these setups. Some closed by the targets and most of them closed at break even. So right now we just are waiting to see how price will respond now that it is pulled back to retest this area of range. Now right above it on the daily time frame, I noticed that we have a double top up here that hasn't been retested. I'll get that stuff out the way and show you on the line chart. So right here we got that reversal pattern. For whatever reason, the line charts don't show the wick, but that is still a part of price movement. So we got this double top at the highs. We also got price consolidating slightly underneath it. So I was honestly waiting until gold pulled back to retest this area before continuing this downtrend. So pretty much looking for a wick above to capture all of those stop losses in that area before dropping to continue moving down. What time frame is that? All right, cool. We just got a shooting star printed, but that's under the 5 minute. Let's wait. US 30 trying to turn around. All right, cool. All right, I got multiple screens up over here. I know y'all like, you on gold. I don't see no damn US 30. I got like 3 screens over here. We look like Iron Man. Okay, great job. USDCAD is still running. Nice setup. Let's see what happens. We get a break above these highs. I'm pretty sure it'll give us another entry for this trade setup. So that's something you guys will see us do a lot versus trying to trade everything. We got some winning trade setups. We just stay on these structural levels in the market. And if an area is broken while we're already winning the trade, so like this, for example, we're already in this winning trade down here. If we get a break of this area at the highs, price breaks above, we're gonna use it to enter in another trade. So let me boom. Let's see what happens right there. Set our alerts. Man, I thought we would see more of a push. Tuesday. Oh, that's it for the news. Okay. No, that's Thursday news. Where are we? Wednesday. Euro. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just leave this thing alone, man. No real news today. We got most of the news coming out tomorrow. Euro USD. Yeah, so the things that we talked about as far as possible consolidation in these areas that we're looking at as far as these major zones. So let's go back. The trade setups that we were looking for. CAD JPY. USD JPY. Oh, this thing is going up. We're going to take this buy. But what is it? What was it? US 30. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there you go. Just told you guys that that thing was going to double bottom. And that's exactly what it did. So now that we got that double bottom, we want to wait until we retest that thing. Oh, man, look at that. All right, genius. So that's beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see. Outside of this thing shaping up, we want to see this right here happening on the smaller time frame. That's a good indication that this area could hold its value support. Now with this US 30 buy, this one, you can hold it for the next few weeks. This is going to be a massive move to the upside. And y'all hear me say at the end of every session, you're one trade away from living. This is that fucking one trade right here. Because we got a lot of room to cover on US 30. That's a 1 to 36, meaning you put up $10, you can get $360 on that trade setup. I'm head back. This USD JPY is actually showing up the way I want it to right now. Cezanne, we are going to wait for this alert on USD JPY and place this buy. Forgot to turn that music down again. Hope it wasn't echoing too much in the background. Yeah, we gotta wait on that. You're not catching me. Well, all right, this will be it today, you guys. We are definitely taking that US 30 buy. As far as these other trade setups, we need to wait until some of these alerts get triggered so we can be safe with this positions, with our positions. But if you guys would like to trade with us, you are more than welcome to trade for free. Oh, YouTube froze? That's trash. You guys are more than welcome to trade with us for free. We hop on live at the top of the week. We do a charting session, pretty much looking at the market. I share my perspective on the market. I also share my interests and I share my trade setups. I give you guys my targets and my stop losses so you can take them with us. Now, on our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, let me copy this link for you guys. This is where I walk you through setting up your demo account and your live account so you can trade with me for free. I would rather you guys trade for free first so you can see it for yourself. When you see the shit for yourself, and nobody got to convince you about possibilities. So see it for yourself. You'll head to that bundles page and get the Trading Essential bundles to start for free. Along with that, we give you guys free trial to our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. I'm sorry, I didn't see you over there. Is that a flag? What were you talking about when you asked that question, Cezanne? My bad, I apologize. But yeah, my bad, I apologize. But yeah, you guys, set up that demo account, set up that live account so you guys can take these trade setups with us. We also give you free trial to our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. This is the glue to trading. You guys will always hear me say this. Too many people get into trades, but they want to skip the portion when it comes to the mindset. What's the website? I dropped the website in the chat. ProfitTakersEU.com over there on TikTok. So yeah, this mindset focus, which is pretty much focusing on yourself, focusing on self-discovery so you can understand what triggers you. When you understand what triggers you, you'll know how to combat yourself when you're sitting in front of the market. The price isn't the only thing that fluctuates. Those emotions will tear you apart if you are not balanced, okay? Outside of that, we have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results covers all of the concepts that I give you guys in the live sessions and in the charting sessions. We also have a few books available on Amazon. The log books help you log your trade setups and your emotional state in the process of trading. Once you figure out what the problem is, you'll know exactly how to fix it. We also have merch, so you guys support the vision, support the dream, and to join us on that website, you can click that beginner bundle or you can upgrade to tier 2. But as always, you guys remember, you're one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?